Good evening from Ashgabat. We're live inside the National Stadium where Arkadag FC is set to host Saudi side Al-Nasr in this year closing friendly. Kickoff is less than 15 minutes away and both squads have just wrapped up their final warm-ups.
And listen to this place. Arkadag strike first and the stadium is bouncing here in Ashgabat.
A wall of green on its feet, wave after wave. What a response.
December.
The stadium in Arkadag is alive.
Two captains meeting at centre field, both clean-shaven, both composed. It's a handshake that speaks. Full time in Ashgabat, and what a contest we've witnessed. Arkadag Football Club and Al-Nasr of the Gulf could not be separated. 3 goals apiece.
From Ashgabat, full time here at the Arkadag Stadium, and it has finished Arkadag FC 3, Al-Nasr 3. It was as open and dramatic as the scoreline suggests. Arkadag struck first on 7 minutes through Saud Arabystanynyň, then